Hello everyone and welcome back. In this series, we are exploring the different categories of AI video tools and comparing the most important platforms available today. So far, we have looked at text-to-video tools, AI video editing tools, and AI avatar platforms. Today, we are focusing on another major category, all-in-one AI video creators. These tools are designed to simplify the entire video creation process. Instead of using multiple platforms for scripting, visuals, and editing, these tools combine everything into one workflow. This makes them especially attractive for beginners, marketers, and creators who want speed and simplicity. Let's compare some of the main tools in this category. First, InVideo AI. InVideo AI allows you to generate videos from a simple text prompt. You can describe your topic and the platform generates a script, selects visuals, adds voiceover, and assembles the video automatically. The biggest advantage is speed. Creators can produce complete videos very quickly. It is especially useful for social media content, marketing videos, and YouTube explainers. However, advanced customization may be limited compared to traditional editing software. Pricing typically includes subscription tiers based on usage and export limits. Next, Pictory. Pictory focuses on turning existing content into video. For example, you can convert blog posts or scripts into videos automatically. It includes AI voiceover, stock visuals, and automatic scene selection. The advantage is ease of transforming written content into video format. The limitation is that visual styles may feel more templated unless you customize further. Pricing usually follows a subscription model depending on video length and features. Now let's talk about Canva AI Video. Many creators already use Canva for design, and its AI video features extend that workflow. You can generate scripts, visuals, and video layouts directly inside Canva. The advantage is simplicity and integration with existing branding tools. It is ideal for creators who want quick production without learning complex editing software. The downside is that advanced cinematic editing capabilities are limited. Next is Kapwing. Kapwing combines editing tools with AI features like automatic subtitles and collaborative workflows. It works directly in the browser and is popular for teams. The advantage is accessibility and collaboration. However, some advanced users may prefer standalone software. Another platform worth mentioning is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is designed primarily for marketing teams. It converts text into video using templates and AI-assisted visual selection. The advantage is fast creation of promotional or educational content. The limitation is that videos may look similar unless heavily customized. Most all-in-one AI video creators use subscription-based pricing. Free tiers may exist but often include watermarks or limited exports. Higher plans provide longer videos and better media libraries. So how do you choose? If you want maximum speed, InVideo AI is a strong choice. If your workflow starts with written content, Pictory or Lumen 5 may be very effective. If you already use Canva for design, Canva AI Video offers a smooth experience. And if collaboration is important, Kapwing is worth exploring. The key insight is that all-in-one tools are designed for efficiency rather than deep customization. They help creators move from idea to finished video quickly. In the next video, we will continue this series by exploring another category of AI video tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.